How to fix laptop lagging after unplugging from charger in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your laptop lagging after you've unplugged your charger from your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, simply open up your Windows device and then search for Edit Power Plan. After you search for Edit Power Plan, you'll get this option right here. Open this up. After you open up your Edit Power Plan, what you'll then need to do is there you'll see an option called Change Advanced Power Settings. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll get to the Advanced Settings. Right there, you will see an option called Processor Power Management. Expand on it. Now, if your device has a cooling system, which most of you will have, it will show you an option right here which you will need to set to active. Now here you will see your option, that is your cooling system. Simply expand on that, and after you expand on that, there you will see an option that gives you an option to change between passive and active. Change it to active and then tap on apply right here and then tap on OK. After you do that, your problem will get fixed, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.